Oklahoma blue cheese onion burger. Tell them what we're gonna make. Come on. We're gonna make a Oklahoma onion blue cheese burger. Probably one of the most insane burgers you've ever had. It's one of my favorite burger recipes, and after you try this, it's gonna be yours, I promise. Winston's pretty fired up because he knows he's gonna get some. I'll put the link in the description to the blue cheese dressing, so you can go to that and make that for yourself. It's probably the best blue cheese dressing you'll ever have because it's homemade. That being said, let's cook. Get those onions in there. Bam! Right, Emerald? And with some AP seasoning? My AP seasoning is salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of chili powder. And you don't want to get these too well cooked. And I found this is the best way to make one of these burgers. Instead of breaking it up into two smaller burgers and then stacking them, I'm going to show you the right way to make it. Take that burger, put it right on those onions, just like that. Cheers. Don't forget to hit the other side of your burger with some seasoning. What you want to do when you're cooking a hamburger this big on a cover. Here's what I like to do. Get this burger. I'm going to remove these onions. Flip it again. And I'm going to take all these onions, put them back on top of the burger. Now, if I was using a flat top, I could get away with doing this with a big spatula. Cooking an electric skillet here, so a little bit of creative license here with how we flip our burger. We're going to put all those onions back on top. Now we're going to let that cook nice and easy. Before we toast this bread, a little mustard and ketchup on there. Get it all down in the nooks and crannies. This is ciabatta bread. It's like a big English muffin. Now we're going to put a piece of cheese on there. And we're going to toast this in the air fryer. Ready for this beautiful thing? Heck, that would be good right there by itself. This might look crazy, but this is one of the best burgers ever, y'all. All right, there's the burger. Get that on there. Got our beautiful blue cheese dressing. Got our top bun. Put a little on that. Just kind of moisten it up. Here comes the best part. Look at that. Blue cheese gloriousness. Now we're just going to take a little blue cheese, sprinkle it on top here and there. Now I can take the abuse, guys. I love everything spicy. Spice it up a little with some Louisiana hot sauce. Yeah. Forgive me. Look at that. Oklahoma blue cheese onion burger. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get this thing cut in half, y'all. Gotta have a nice sharp serrated knife for this stuff. Look at that thing. All right, let's take a bite. But if you love food, you know sometimes we got to do things like this. I think I got the best chance of taking a bite out of this side. Look at that. All that cheese and ketchup and mustard. That perfectly cooked hamburger. Blue cheese, crumbles, and caramelized onions. Let's see what it tastes like. One of the best tasting cheeseburgers I've ever made. Next time you're in the kitchen, make you some of that.